your mark, ready, set, let's go.
Yeah, baby.
On your mark, ready, set, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to swing, baby. Yeah.
Getting jiggy with it.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's freedom, baby. Yeah.
Getting jiggy with it.
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Getting jiggy with it.
Smashing, baby.
Count of three. I want everybody the place to be. To make some noise if you're down with me. 1, 2, 3.
Rock your body.
What?
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Now you can get 2 delicious cheese.
We got the first recipe.
Professional baker is Vita's second career. An attorney first.
TV for a moment. Why did you want to appear on a cooking program in the first place?
I wanted a change, I guess. I wanted to try something new as far as the restaurant.
Pork and beef and a house-made pasta. We've had on the menu off and on.
In no time, you'll have the greatest cake you ever made.
Making an exciting cake with my Betty Crocker.
Make holiday cakes like this. Or give your young baseball hero a celebration he'll never forget. It's Alaska. Or you can simply fill your cake with a different Betty Crocker cake mix. Just fill the inner
Cheese Whopper at Burger King. World taste with 4 strips of crispy jack. Buy one now.
Sourdough bacon cheeseburgers, cheese, and 4 strips of bacon on
And chicken.
All in one. Take a bite. Baja-style tacos.
There are as many curry powders in India.
Canned soup has all that terrible
crispy chicken salad with our. It's time for a treat. Nothing.
Domino's now.
What's about your favorite breakfast sandwich served hot and fresh?
Sandwich the all-American burger, an ice cold Coke, and make it.
Junior sandwich, an old and a great price.
It's really good. It's a little bit.
Honey, why did we write paleo comfort foods?
Oh goodness. Well, New York Times best-selling author Rob Wolf. Comfort foods is our interpretation on those classic recipes Grandma served up in our youth. It's our spin in the starters and snacks section, followed by sauces and staples. Then comes soups and salads.
Foods and various pantry items you want to have on hand to help you live this paleo lifestyle to your absolute best.
So pick up your copy of Paleo
Stuffed crust pizza only from hot layer of mouth-watering soft golden crust. Ideal. Anyway, you slice.
It has tender pieces of seasonings. See the difference?
It's time to go to the better taste.
Potatoes, and it's creamier.
Clams in every bowl.
Hearty soups are thick from Progresso, like beef.
And that gets me.
Eat that.
Ako na po.
Gordita, ground beef, pepper jack, buck. You can afford to.
Introducing the Nacho Cheese Chalupa, loaded with our warms.
The original chocolate factory. The fun, easy way to turn for it. Look, regular pots burn chocolate, but dipping nuts, strawberries, and bananas. And looks create teddy bears, seashells, lollipops, and more. The price. The complete chocolate factory kit comes with every
chicken nuggets and junior bacon cheeseburgers, drinks, fries, all just 99 cents each. So we have money.
Serve. It's more than a love for Indian meatballs, crispy buttermilk bigger burger, and more.
And now, Popular Culture presents What's In and What's Out.
On your mark, ready, set, let's go.
Yeah, baby.
On your mark, ready, set, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to swing, baby. Yeah.
Getting jiggy with it.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's freedom, baby.